So the standard, again, is usually you're going to find if you can get a reversion clause. If you guys don't know what a reversion clause, it just basically means that, let's say you send 10 tracks to a library. The industry standard is 24 to 36 months, so 2 to 3 years. And what that means is if they don't get any placements for a particular track, you will have the right at the end of that term, 24 or 36 months, to take those tracks back out of their catalog. Now, why 2 to 3 years? Isn't that a really long time? Well, again, it's a slow-moving business, guys. This is not instantaneously kind of stuff. So you have to realize that every library has sub-publishers, meaning they have other libraries, other catalogs, other publishers all over the world in different territories that they gather their music. Let's say they're an LA-based library. They gather their music in LA, but then they have to get it distributed to all of their partners, get them all the metadata, get them the information, and then they have to allow their partners then to take some time to pitch it to their clients. So this is I think it's one of the benefits of production music libraries is that you partner with one company and you instantly have, I just got my BMI royalty check. I think I had 57 countries of royalties coming through. So I never stepped into any of those, most of those countries. I've never even been in them. But because I've worked with these great libraries that had these sub-publishers all over the world, my music is spreading out like a spider web, just going all throughout the world and earning me this income. So usually that 2 to 3 year period is what it takes for your music to really kind of spread out there and get pitched. And what I'd recommend, let's say that they get 10 of your tracks placed, but 2 of them didn't. Should you take those other 2 out? I wouldn't, because they're working for you. These guys are actually getting you placements. Maybe not every track is always applicable to every opportunity, but if they're working for you and you're getting placements and you're getting royalties or you're getting scene fees, you're seeing some action and it's a significant chunk of the music that you gave to them, then keep your music with them because they're obviously earning that. They're obviously doing something right for you. Now, of course, you send them 12 tracks and 2 tracks get placed. Yeah, maybe you want to take those other 10 out and go find another library. There's going to be risks though, guys. So no matter who you sign with an exclusive deal, there's going to be a term, and it can be, longer term, shorter term, whatever it is. But no matter what, if you're hoping that there's going to be a place where where do I sign without any risk? Doesn't exist on planet Earth. So let's just get past that. There's going to be risk. And so you just have to, that's why I've always told you guys with the, 2 library approach, that way you can A/B compare. So you're not 100% like, okay, let's say both of them give you 5-year terms. Wow, that's a really long time. Can I do it? The best situation in that would be you have 2 libraries. So you can basically split your risk 50-50 that way to find out which one is working for you. And how long does it take to find out if they're working for you? Within 6 months to a year, you might not be getting your royalties because it takes longer, but you should be getting some indication that your music is being shopped, your music is being pitched, and you should get something that, yeah, you know what, you're in the running for a lot of these opportunities, or maybe you got a couple of these placements and we know about it. If it's a legit library, a legit sync agent, they're going to communicate with you and let you know about the opportunity. So if you haven't heard anything from them in a year, yeah, maybe that's the time where you go, you know what, I don't have to keep sending you music. I'm not obligated to send you new music. So that's where you kind of put the brakes on and do some more research and maybe find another one.